How to block Snapchat unknown contact. In order to block unknown contact on Snapchat and prevent them from contacting you, you can adjust your privacy settings to only allow friends to reach out or block specific user directly from your chat or friend list. So if you want to block a specific user from your unknown contacts, open your Snapchat app, log in. You then want to go to the chat page, and over here what you want to do is simply open that particular unknown contact. In my case, let's see, this is the one. And once you've done this, you then need to press onto the profile initials at the top. When you do that, moving on, you just want to press onto the three dot icon, go to manage friendship, and you could just click on block, and this way you'll be able to block Snapchat unknown contact. Similarly, if you want to prevent unknown contact from messaging you, you then need to go to the profile initials at the top left, click the gear icon from the top right, scroll down to privacy controls section, and privacy and data, you could go to this section. Here you want to select contact. Once you select contact, you just want to change the settings from everyone to friends only, and that's where you're going to actually block Snapchat unknown contacts. With that, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.